Theosophist George Lansbury and the Foundation of the Daily Herald by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. George Lansbury, 1859–1940, the prominent English politician and theosophist, played a significant role in the foundation of the Daily Herald, which was one of the most influential newspapers of the early 20th century. The Daily Herald was founded in 1912 at a time when the labour movement in Britain was growing rapidly, and there was a need for a newspaper that could effectively voice the concerns and aspirations of the working classes. George Lansbury, who was a prominent figure in the labour movement, recognised the potential of such a newspaper and was instrumental in its establishment. In fact, he was among the chief sponsors of the newspaper, and his involvement in the project was crucial in giving it the necessary momentum and support. He was editor-in-chief of the paper from 1913 until 1922. George Lansbury was a theosophist who believed in the theosophical idea of a universal brotherhood of humanity, and he saw the Daily Herald as a means of promoting this idea among the general population. He believed that the newspaper could serve as a platform for the expression of the aspirations of working people and could promote the values of social justice and equality. Moreover, Lansbury was a staunch supporter of women's rights, and he ensured that the Daily Herald reflected this commitment. In fact, the newspaper was one of the first to give voice to the demands of the suffragettes and play a key role in the promotion of women's rights. However, the influence of the Daily Herald went beyond the promotion of social justice and equality. The newspaper was also instrumental in shaping public opinion on a range of issues, and its impact on the political landscape of Britain cannot be overstated. The Daily Herald was known for its investigative journalism and its coverage of the major events of the time, such as the First World War and the Russian Revolution, was of exceptional quality. The Daily Herald also played a key role in the promotion of the ideal of a fairer and more equal society, and Lansbury's theosophical beliefs were central to this vision. The newspaper promoted the idea of a society based on cooperation and mutual aid, and this vision was reflected in its coverage of the social issues and in campaigning for a better deal for the poor and disadvantaged. The Herald was published from 1912 to 1964, when it was replaced by the pre-Rupert Murdoch Sun. In conclusion, the role of George Lansbury in the foundation of the Daily Herald cannot be overstated. His commitment to theosophy, women's rights and social issues was central to the newspaper's vision, and his influence was instrumental in shaping the public discourse of early 20th century Britain. The Daily Herald remains an important part of Britain's political and cultural history, and its legacy continues to inspire journalists and social activists to this day.